James, who are all the people in this photo? Wait, let me guess. That guy in the front looks like he's your grandfather. Am I right?
No, actually, that's my dad's older brother, Tony.
So, Tony is your uncle?
Yeah.
Okay. And is the older woman with the birthday cake your grandmother?
Yes, she's my father's mother. Her name's Anna.
So, who is the other older woman?
Oh, that's Mary. She's my father's sister.
Oh, your aunt, then.
Right. And can you guess who the girl in the middle is? The one with the long brown hair?
She's pretty. Is she your sister?
No, she's Uncle Tony's daughter, Gloria.
Really? She's your cousin?
Yes. The girl on the right is my sister.
Sophia?
Sophia, yes. And the little girl in front of her is Clara, her daughter. She's my niece.
So you're her Uncle James. How about the cute little boy? Is that Clara's brother?
No, that's Bobby.
Bobby?
Yeah, he's my little boy.
Oh, of course. He looks just like you. So who's the man in the back row then?
That's Sophia's husband. His name's George.
So he